Brother Robertson. This is Mark Villondo. I'm just gonna validate my stuff here for you. So we have my homepage. Just gonna highlight CSS. Looks good, thank goodness. Time for HTML. Here I'm running into issues because it's saying that the PHP is an error. I'm not sure why it's doing that. And also it says that I don't have an alt attribute for in my header for the logo, and I'll just show you that that's actually not true. I got it here, but for some reason it's not registering for the validator. So can only do so much with that. I've tried fixing it, but whatever at this point. Okay. Click back. That brings us to our login page. I'm going to validate. Once again, we have the PHP issues here and the alt attribute, but we also have an issue with the button. And I've been trying to fix the button issue, but it's not working, so hopefully I can get help from Aaron to see how I can stop getting this error. Registration page. Right. Alright. Yep, just the same issues as before. PHP being detected as an error and an image with an alt attribute that's in my header, so that's why it's showing up in all my pages. Can't do much about that, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please be merciful. Bye.